Are videos or protected content not playing properly in Google Chrome? Sometimes Chrome blocks certain media or streaming content by default, but you can fix it in just a few moments. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the browser and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, choose Settings. Once you're inside Chrome Settings, go to Privacy and Security on the left side. Then click on Site Settings. Now scroll down a little and tap on Additional Content Settings. Here, Chrome stores extra permissions for websites and media playback features. Keep scrolling until you find Protected Content IDs or Protected Content. Tap on it to open the settings. If websites are blocked from playing protected content, some videos, movies, music services, or streaming platforms may not load correctly or may show playback errors. To fix this, simply enable the option that says Sites can play protected content. After turning it on, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then go back to the website or streaming service and try playing the content one more time. In many cases, videos will start working normally right away after enabling this setting, and that's basically it.